Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Grafana on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you're ready to start using it.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating the packages, install the required dependencies using the following command. Next, import the GPG key with this command. Now add the Grafana repository and install Grafana use these commands. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Enable the service itself along with auto start on server reboot and check the status of Grafana. All done, go to your web browser and log in using admin for both the username and password. After that you'll need to change the password to a new one and you're good to go. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.